In this tips and tricks video, we're going to look at how to tune stop words directly within a dashboard. To start, I'm going to come over here to the left side of my screen and hover over this pencil icon, and we'll see that our tune analysis option pops up. If I click on the icon, it'll open our tune analysis panel. And from here, I know that I'm now ready to start tuning stop words within my dashboard. I can hover over any bigram that I feel may be noise in the dataset and simply click on that to start adding words to my stop word list. You'll notice as I go down on the right, adding words to my stop word list, the list is forming over here on the left. Once I've added all the words that I would like to tune out from the dataset, I can click reprocess, and our natural language understanding model that was originally deployed will rerun and will factor in the stop word list that you've built. That stop word list will also be saved for reuse in the future, so you can apply it to a new dataset, or you can update it as you further tune this existing dataset in the dashboard we're looking at here. And that's how you can easily tune stop words and build a stop word list directly within Stratified.